Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing immigration enforcement. Specifically, we're discussing the fact that it's becoming, for lack of a better term, just eerily, sort of scarily effective. And what am I talking about here? I got a call from someone the other day, and I've had multiple people talk to me about very similar things. We've discussed it on this channel. We specifically discussed it in videos where we were talking about Thai immigration, specifically in Phuket, going after overstayers assiduously. Like they were showing up at people's houses a day after they went into overstay and arrested them and deported them. We've actually seen this in other instances. I've talked to people that this has happened to. I even talked to someone whose visa expired, for example, on a Friday. The person intended to go ahead and go in on a Monday. This was never presumed this type of thing. Always deal with your visa extension before it expires. But this person, I see what they were doing. They just thought, it's not a big deal. I'm going to go into a couple of days overstay. I'll pay a fine and I'll leave. Immigration showed up at that person's door that night, that Friday night, after even immigration had closed, so they could not get an extension. But it hadn't even ticked over to the next day yet, where they were actually in technical overstay. But because they couldn't get themselves sorted, immigration basically said, look, we're detaining you and we're going to deport you because you didn't get this sorted on the day. And it resulted in this person being sent out of the country, and they were effectively blacklisted. As noted in prior videos, even 1 day of overstay, if you're apprehended in the country, it's a 5-year ban. And again, there's really not much of any way to appeal it. Although, again, depending on circumstances, it might be appealable. But long story short, yeah, at the end of the day, an overstay is an overstay. And if they catch you in overstay, even a day of overstay can result in a blacklisting. What's the point, though? Why does this particularly matter? Well, they're getting better at it. As a practical matter, they're integrating their digital systems. And as we've talked about in other videos, they're also integrating their ability to utilize the community who may file a complaint even online and say, hey, so-and-so, this is a foreigner, they've been here for 6 months, I don't know what kind of visa they've got, but you may want to go check them out. Immigration will kind of do a background check and say, hey, that person's not got an address reporting there, or that person's already in overstay, they're not supposed to be here that long. They're getting better at this. That's the point of this video. So for those who are looking to come to Thailand, stay in lawful status, maintain your lawful status, and basically stay legal while you're here.